In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Evernote. We're going to walk through the process step by step. So by the end, you'll be able to connect your Trello boards directly with your Evernote notes and make your workflow a lot smoother. Before you start, make sure you're already logged into your Trello account in your browser and that you have access to the board where you want to add this integration. First, open Trello in your browser and head to the specific board you want to connect with Evernote. This integration is added on a per board basis, so if you use multiple boards, you'll repeat these steps for each one where you want Evernote connected. Once you're on your board, look toward the top right area of the screen for the Power-Ups option. Depending on your layout, this may appear as a button or a menu item. Go ahead and click on Power-Ups. Power-Ups are Trello's way of extending the functionality of your boards, and Evernote is one of the available options. After you click Power-Ups, a panel or window will open, showing any power-ups you already have enabled, along with an option to discover more. Here, find and click on the button that says Add Power-Ups, or a similar option to browse the full Power-Ups directory. You'll now see a list or grid of available power-ups. At the top of this view, there should be a search bar. Click on the search field so you can type into it. This makes it much faster to find the exact integration you're looking for instead of scrolling through everything. In the search bar, type Evernote and wait a second for the results to load. Trello will filter the available power-ups and show you the Evernote integration. You should see Evernote listed as one of the search results, usually with the recognizable Evernote icon. When you see Evernote in the results, click on it to open its details page. This page will usually give you a short description of what the integration does and may show screenshots or notes about how it works with Trello cards. On this Evernote Power-Up page, you'll see an option to add it to your board, typically labeled Add. Click on Add. Trello will enable